Today I'm going to replace a front brake pads for my Indian Scout 2017 right here. Got his pads here, front and rear, from Amazon. They're like $26 for 2 sets. I usually buy this just the front, like 40 bucks here locally, but I'm going to try a different brand here. And you will need this type of, what do you call this? I forgot what it is. It's an 18 mil. I'm sorry, it's an 8 mil. It's a hex torque thing. It's an 8 mil, so you just remove that. Just work this out. Look how thin that is. Use a screwdriver. Just press this out. To press the new piston. To press this piston back right here. You can see. So you can put a new one in. Before you take it out, do this. Make it a lot easier. Let's use a flathead. There you go. Look how thin that is. Alright, and then you just use a plier to pull these clips out and remove this bolt right here. Let me go. Alright, so you need a start. It's not an Allen wrench type. So just pull these clips out right here. Don't lose that. Then we'll take this out so we can remove the brakes. Both come out just like that. Alright, here's my new one. And this one make for 2017 all the way to 2021 for Scout 60. And make sure it's matched. And it looks identical. Look how much wear compared to the new one. Look how thin that is, and compared to the new one. Alright, now you can use a brake cleaner and clean this. Might as well do it. Let me grab my brake cleaner. Alright, I got this one. It's almost out too, but go ahead and spray this. Clean it. And just wipe it. You take this to the dealer, they're gonna charge you over $100. They're gonna charge you at least a minimum of an hour. Nice and shine here now. Nice and clean. Make sure the clip's still in there. You just put it back. Then put the bolt through. And then I guess they got this retainer clip. Just push it back in. And that's it. This take less than, if I don't have to film, take me like less than 10 minutes. Very easy. The back take a little bit longer because of the mufflers in the way. You have to lay down and get your hand under there. But the front's the easiest. It's like my second time I've done this. Well, I got other 4 Scout, and they're all basically the same. And then just tighten it up. I don't know what the torque spec is, but I usually just hand tight. Then just do a quarter turn real fast, just tighten up, snug it, you're good to go. And that's it. Done. Right there. See how fast that is? Brand new brakes. All one trash. So at time you gotta pump the brake, it gets really soft, and then it's, there you go. Now make sure you good. All done. Now I'll do my rear brakes next. That's it. How to replace 2017 Indian Scout or any Scout front brakes in less than 10 minutes.